Okay, let's go to one of our questions from YouTube. So here, the username is Lost Zinc. Hi, I'm from Thailand. My questions are how to use a gerund and how to use these single quotations in sentences. Thank you so much. You are so sweet. Thank you. You are so sweet. Thank you for your compliment. And let me go ahead and answer your two questions here. So, gerunds are words that are formed with verbs but act as nouns. This is a little complicated, but when you see some examples, hopefully it helps. So an easy way to spot a gerund is every gerund is a verb plus ing. So gerunds maintain some verb-like properties even though they act as nouns. Like a verb, they can take a direct object and can be modified with an adverb. For example, here's our gerund, drinking a pint. Here the direct object is pint, so it functions similarly to a verb. Driving erratically. So here, driving is modified with an adverb, erratically. So here we have our gerund and acting like a verb, modified by an adverb. Or regularly visiting the hospital. Visiting is modified by regularly and has a direct object, the hospital. Okay, a little confusing, so let's go ahead and look at some more ways we can use gerunds. So here we have a helpful chart, and we see running is the gerund we're looking at, and what are the different ways we can use them. So first, we can use them as the subject of a verb. For example, running is a good way to explore. So here, running is the gerund, is our verb. So running is the subject of our verb. Running is a good way to explore. It can also be the object of a verb. He likes running. Here, likes is our verb, and our gerund, running, acts as a noun in this sentence. Just like I could say, he likes games. He likes playing games. Their playing is a gerund. He likes running. Here, running is the gerund. We can also use them as the object of a preposition. I am thinking of running. So here we have our verb am, right? I am thinking of running. So running is our gerund here, the object of a preposition. And also as a subject complement. So here we're renaming the subject. My new hobby is running. And this is going to lead us very well into our next question, which is when do we use to plus verb ing, which is also something we can do with gerunds sometimes. Okay, so these are gerunds, and I think this is something we can do a whole future video about because they can be a little confusing. So I hope that I gave you a useful answer for now, and in the future, don't be surprised if you see a longer video going over this very interesting grammar point.